Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. For those of you who are new, I wanted to share with you how I fix up my makeup kit and like clean up and everything. I got home from work and I took off all my makeup because I was like, I'm gonna do a video today, and I don't know, I'm still indecisive if I want to film. I haven't filmed a YouTube video in a little bit, so I want to share with you how I do my kit specifically today, because this is what I have been into now. I feel like I've shifted over for YouTube, at least for, you know, doing makeup tutorials and stuff, like more on the makeup wise as far as makeup application and like bridal and everything like that. Today is Thursday. I have a trial tomorrow. I have a wedding that I'm helping in on Saturday with 5 bridesmaids. So I'm really excited for that. I washed all my brushes already, so I just need to clean all the handles with a with a Clorox wipe, and kind of disinfect and sanitize the palettes that I used this past weekend for my bride. As I was saying, I do have makeup clients this weekend, so I'm gonna prep everything. I'm probably gonna fast forward everything. I haven't figured out my life together with YouTube, and I was reflecting the other day. I'm like, you know what, YouTube is my happy place, and I have not done a video in a little bit besides that vlog that we did with Ever. So I'm taking you along this journey of my makeup journey, and I was again reflecting last time. Well, I don't know when last time, but I was, man, it is coming down, storm. I was reflecting. There's no mirror. I keep getting palettes that have no mirror in them. I'm so all over in the place in this video, but I was reflecting this past month during Mercury made a raid when Mercury was in the microwave. I was reflecting a lot, and I've come to the reflection upon myself that I am enjoying this journey that I'm in as far as makeup application, gaining clients here in Colorado. And at first, when I first moved here, I was kind of not motivated at all, and being here where I am today, which I'm so grateful for, I have realized that it's not about how fast I've gotten here, but the journey, if that makes any sense at all. And you know, I've always constantly wanted to have more followers, more getting recognized, and I never stopped to think where I am in my career and been grateful for where I am. So that was a huge impact that I've noticed during this past month. I'm just very grateful, and I don't even know what the words I want to like put out, but I'm just very excited and grateful to be where I am today, and kind of gaining clients and kind of gaining more trust with the people that I'm interacting with as far as clients at work and like facials and with makeup as well. I'm just grateful for where I am, and I don't know where this road will take me to eventually, but I just want to say thank you for the people who have started with me in the beginning of my YouTube career, which is going to be 10 years, I think, this year now in October next month. Oh shit. But you know, I'm just grateful for where I am, and looking back at like, I feel like looking back at like the tops of my videos, like for YouTube in particular, were my lip swatch videos, for my I'm at hauls. Like I'm so grateful that like I did those videos, because I was just like in a state of like having fun, and I really enjoyed it. And I'm like, why am I not enjoying where I am right now? I'm like, because I haven't done YouTube videos that I love to do, which is makeup. So with that being said, if you've been here since the beginning, like literally since my first tutorial, and if you're someone who's found me through a lip swatch video, a vlog video, just like if you've come across my channel and you're still here, I am so grateful for you. Thank you for believing in me and for just kind of like growing with me, because I didn't stop to think and be like, wow, I've actually have made it this far, you know what I mean? And I'm not saying like, oh my god, I'm fucking huge, like PR all the time. No, like I hope to be where I am today, and I had hopes of being here one day, and that day is today. So thank you. This was a little bit of a long intro. I apologize. So we're gonna fast forward all these goodies. I'll probably talk with you all that, but tomorrow I'll have a trial. I put my trial papers in here so that way it's like flat and like organized. But these are a little bit of my storage that I keep in here for clients that I have in a drawer back here. And this is also like my backstock stuff. Another backstock thing here. These are not the best, but I mean, to give to clients, you know, it's fine. I like the more puffier ones. They're just not the same. Just to give you an overview of my what I have in my makeup kit is I am going to depot this guy, put it into my kit. These are my Ben Nye powders that I use. We have Soft Glam Anastasia, which I need to depot into like a new one. Same with this guy, the Anastasia Brow Palette. Makeup by Mario mattes, which I absolutely love. This has been like a staple, as well as this guy you guys already know, the Dior highlighting palette. I recently bought this. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I did post a haul on like my kit and such. So this is very new to my kit. As mentioned in my TikTok video, I do really want to get the Natasha Denona palette. However, that beat is $69 and I'm just like not ready to splurge on that yet. So I got this one for now. They're all cool tones. I don't have any cool tones in my arsenal, so that's why I got this guy. Of course, staple, Miss Jackie Aina in here. And then for foundation, we have the Graftopian palette, which is gorgeous. And I've learned different tips and tricks with other makeup artists that have told me how to use it, because lately I feel like it hasn't been as much as how I liked it to be, if that makes sense. Another thing I did add to my kit is the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I did get the number 2 Fair Light today, or yesterday when we went to Walmart. And oh my gosh, I used this on a client and her skin was glowing. Oh my god, these are so underrated. And listen, I love the Charlotte Tilbury one, but holy shit, this is just as good, if not even better. But it has more coverage than the Charlotte Tilbury one. So we need to depot these two and put into my kit. I did also get the Rare Beauty little blush set kit, which I did get that one time when they launched it during Christmas, but that shit sold out. Thank god I got it. So I'm adding these two guys, and then the 2 new Wisdom and Virtue. I don't know, I ended up buying it for my kit, but I was like, I kind of want it for myself. But I really like the Wisdom color, so I don't know. We'll see, because this is like the only like darker color that I have in here. I might just buy another one, I don't know. But we gotta put that in here, and then we need to refill this guy in particular. It's a part where it gets kind of boring because I'm gonna clean my brushes. I did deep clean them already. I just need to spot clean them because they need to be spot clean. And this is where I keep them in. I created the few compartments in here. Let me bring you up close. So there's 4 like little sections here. This is where I have face brushes and like makeup prep powders. This is where I have like blushes, creams, highlighting go in here. And then I just put everything here because I had dirty brushes in these 2 compartments. So I do keep this LA Girl shimmer spray, and then liquid lipsticks and these little guys in here. Liquid lipsticks and these 2 from Fenty. And then I have liners and fine brushes in here. And then like my blending brushes go in here. I need to buy more of these Clorox wipes, like the actual ones from Costco. I just always forget every time we go. And then when I get home, I'm like, shit, I totally forgot to get the wipes again. So when I was at Target, I just got a little one. I went with my dad. He was like, why are you getting this? Like, why don't you just get it from Costco? I was like, I keep forgetting. So I like to clean the barrel, just to kind of keep everything sanitary. To clean my client's face, I got this from Amazon, and I throw it in here. I feel like YouTube's gonna strike me with the music, of course, but I like to refill. This is a gum container, by the way, but just pop it in there and it fits perfectly in here. This is, just label it new cotton rounds, just the little spray that I have to disinfect all my powder and stuff. I have to put these because they stack up perfectly in my kit, but I need to see what color it is. So this is the Bronzite from Makeup by Mario, and then I have Quartz. So these two guys, they just add a little bit of sparkle. I think I'm gonna get rid of these because they don't have such a really good color payoff, unfortunately. Like, I use a brush, I use my finger, and it doesn't do much, to be honest. So I don't know. Maybe I'm not using it right. This is like really unnecessary, but I personally like to make sure my stuff looks clean. It just makes you look a little bit more profesh, you know? And people just, when they see clean, they're like, oh wow, she really is a professional, you know? So it's an extra step for sure to clean your palettes and stuff, but when you take that extra step, it just kind of makes everything better. Homecoming season is slowly approaching. I was like thinking like, oh, I'm gonna probably slow down because like wedding season's coming to almost an end, but let's be real, there's weddings and events. I had to refill my little skincare prep thing, the Embryolisse moisturizer. I added the eye cream, and I finished up this is the one I use, Good Molecules. I love it, that's my favorite. So we refilled her. We got a new little sifter for our CMA powder. I need to purchase a Laura Mercier translucent powder because I don't have any more, and then I'm good on this guy. It's crazy how like this entire, well, not entire, but majority of it is in here. So yeah, there we go. I got to do a little label for that and pop her on here. This is for my little touch-up kits for my clients. This is a trash bag that pops up, and then this is what my entire here in an overview, and then I just pop this on here, and that's pretty much it. So I put this in here as well, but that's brushes. We have a little lip gloss applicators, lip gloss, and little sample jars in here. I have some sharpeners in here with the little palettes, and then this as it's a sticky adhesive that goes in the hand, and then I have extra lashes in here. And let me just show you what's in this pocket. Just lashes on this top one. These are sponges that I like to refill. I kind of store them in here and keep them in here. Little trash bags for my trash, 2 pens, and the folder that I have for bridal trowel. That is all that I have to share with you today in this video. I know it wasn't too much, but I wanted to again just kind of reflect back on like my journey and how I started. So thank you for being here as always, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate your time. I know a lot of these days time is very valuable and precious, so thank you, and wish me luck on my wedding this weekend that I'm going to assist, and my trial tomorrow. I will see you all in the next video. Toodles!